The easiest and the fastest recipe for lunch or dinner. Your family will love it. Start by making 8 cuts on the chicken breast, but make sure that the cut does not cross to the other side. Set aside the chicken next to it. In a smaller bowl, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and now mix very well. Add another 1 tablespoon of olive oil and with the help of a brush, mix again. Add the chicken on a platter and now pass the seasoning all over the chicken and don't forget to go inside the cuts. Let's use 1 tomato and just cut it into 4 pieces. And then cut those parts in a half. Book next door. Use 8 slices of mozzarella, which gives about 150 grams. Add 4 slices to eating chicken fillet. In another 4 cuts, add the tomatoes, 4 pieces on each side. And to give that special touch, add strips of bacon too. It's finished. Place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. Our chicken's ready. Look at this delight. Do it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love. Sincerely, there's no way to resist this. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.